Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the impressive features of the iRobot Roomba i3 Plus EVO, a robot vacuum that takes convenience to a whole new level by automatically emptying its bin for up to 60 days, so you can forget about vacuuming for 2 whole months. Equipped with proprietary dirt detect technology, this smart vacuum focuses on dirtier areas of your home, ensuring a thorough clean with its advanced navigation system that guides it in neat, efficient rows across multiple floor types. The Roomba i3 Plus learns your home layout to create an imprint smart map, allowing you to direct it to clean specific rooms on your schedule or in the moment, making it perfect for busy households. Designed with pet owners in mind, it features dual multi-surface rubber brushes that flex to adjust to different floor types and avoid tangling with pet hair, ensuring a hassle-free clean. With seamless integration with Alexa, Siri, or Google Assistant, you can simply tell it where to clean, offering complete control and convenience at your fingertips. The iRobot OS, in conjunction with the iRobot Home app, personalizes your cleaning experience, learning your habits and routines to provide thoughtful cleaning suggestions, so you can spend more time doing what you love. For optimal performance, ensure your Roomba is set up on a 2.4 GHz network, and once that's done, you can enjoy the ease and efficiency of a cleaner home with minimal effort.